Hola, food aficionados! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Portuguese Piri Piri Chicken, a fiery and flavorful dish. But before we get cooking, let's uncover fascinating facts about this mouthwatering delight. Portuguese Piri Piri Chicken is a beloved dish, known for its irresistible combination of succulent chicken and spicy piri piri sauce. The core ingredients for this dish are fresh chicken, piri piri peppers, garlic, olive oil, and a dash of lemon juice. Piri piri translates to pepper in Swahili, and these fiery little peppers add a distinctive heat and flavor to the dish. The heat of piri piri peppers can vary from mildly spicy to scorching hot, depending on the variety used. Grilling the chicken to perfection is a crucial step. The smoky flavor from the grill complements the spicy piri piri sauce beautifully. There are numerous regional variations of piri piri chicken in Portugal, with each region putting its own unique twist on the dish. Marinating the chicken in piri piri sauce is a must, allowing the flavors to infuse and tenderize the meat. Portuguese cuisine is known for its bold spices, and piri piri chicken is no exception. It's a burst of flavor in every bite for the spices. Piri piri chicken is often served with traditional Portuguese side dishes like rice, potatoes, and fresh salads. This dish holds cultural significance in Portugal, often enjoyed during family gatherings, celebrations, and outdoor picnics. Lemon wedges are commonly served with piri piri chicken to add a zesty, citrusy dimension to the dish. Piri piri chicken's popularity has extended far beyond Portugal, becoming a global sensation, and even fast food chains have embraced it. In Portugal, you'll find special roasters dedicated solely to cooking piri piri chicken, ensuring that it's done to perfection. Traditional clay roasters and wood-fired ovens are often used in the preparation of piri piri chicken. Fact number 15. Piri piri peppers are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, adding a healthy kick to this delectable dish. Basting is a crucial step during the grilling process, ensuring the chicken remains juicy and flavorful. In Portugal, you can find piri piri chicken in local markets, where different vendors compete to offer the best version of the dish. The level of spiciness can be adjusted to your preference by choosing milder or hotter piri piri peppers. The lore of piri piri chicken includes tales of secret family recipes and competitive cook-offs, adding to its mystique. Piri piri sauce, the heart of this dish, is not only used for marinating and basting the chicken but also as a condiment on the side for those who like it extra spicy. Piri piri peppers can be preserved as a spicy condiment, extending their use throughout the year. The name, piri piri, is onomatopoeic, mimicking the sound of sizzling and crackling that happens when the peppers are cooking. The traditional method of grilling piri piri chicken involves using skewers, allowing the meat to cook evenly. Some piri piri sauces are aged in barrels for months, intensifying their flavors and spiciness. The Algarve region in Portugal is famous for its particular take on piri piri chicken, featuring sweet bell peppers in the sauce. Piri piri chicken has become a global sensation, with variations and adaptations found in restaurants worldwide, offering a taste of Portugal in every bite. Now, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the cooking world of Portuguese Piri Piri Chicken. We'll create a tantalizing recipe that'll make your taste buds dance with joy. Marinating the chicken. Place the chicken quarters in a large bowl. Mix the piri piri sauce, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the marinade over the chicken, ensuring it's evenly coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight for the best flavor. Grilling the chicken. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and let excess liquid drip off. Grill the chicken for about 6-8 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, and the chicken is nicely charred and cooked through. Baste the chicken with the remaining marinade during grilling to keep it juicy and flavorful. Serve your sizzling piri piri chicken with lemon wedges and additional piri piri sauce for those who want an extra kick. Thank you for joining us on this spicy culinary adventure with Portuguese Piri Piri Chicken. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tantalizing recipes and delicious discoveries. See you in the next video, and até a próxima!